Hello friends, today I will show you how to change this blower motor for a E36. The problem are that sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not working, but you will see the sound is not very good. But the main reason why I changed, because some morning is not working and everything is off. Okay, I show you step by step how to do this. Okay, first we need to take off these plastics, this windscreen wipers, and after that we can open this blower plastics and change this. Okay, when the plastic is off, windscreen wipers is off, this windscreen engine bolts you need to open because you won't need the space. And now started the funny part, how to get out this blower. And when I watch on YouTube, I don't see a video how to get back to the new this blower. I just see video how to get out to the old one. Okay, but I show you the everything, how we to get out and how we to get back the new one. Okay, the first what we need to do, there's the first screws, there's under and two screws to the bottom. I think this is T27. Okay, we will see and I show you in the video. Okay, yeah, there is the T20. Yeah, T20 four screws. I hope I can open this. Good night. And in this moment I understand why the mechanics said he hate engineers because this everything make by engineer ideas. Assistant, bring me the magnet. Magnet.
I got this?
Yeah.
Kuru? Resno?
Garo maziņu. Yeah, there is the first 4 screws. Whew. There is not very much space. Okay, take off this 2 screws. Okay. This magnet is too big.
I see. Maybe I can take with my fingers.
Let me try
Okay.
one time.
Oh, you did it.
Yes. Oh. 2 is open.
Yeah.
2 left. Yeah, we need to open this last 2 as well. Thanks for engineer. Okay, there is the 4 bolts like that, T20, and it's funny, but I need that tool. I need little bit push up this metal because, how I say, engineer, little bit joking about mechanics. You just, there's no space how to put inside to the screwdriver. Yeah, the same story. There is no space how to get out this blower. I think this is the reason why nobody changed these blowers. Very funny, yes? And the next part was how to get inside to the new one. Okay, this way I show you the after. Okay, something to improvise. I open this lower rotor plastic, and there I open one plastic in this side. Maybe something can get in this. No. One part is inside. Okay, the next one I need to think how to put this. And now I know why in YouTube no video about this process, how to get back this blower. Okay, I still thinking how to get in this new bowler. In this moment I don't have to ideas. But when I be ready I show you. Okay, I can't show you the perfect video, but story is that I take off this white plastic. The first I put inside this side with black ventilator, and after that I need to put up this white plastic on the blower. This is the only one way how I get inside this fucking shit. Sorry, not be very easy. Okay, and this plastic you can't with hand put back because there is the metal wire, and this is the only one reason how you to get back to position this white ventilator. Do you see? That's it. There is the 1 millimeter and is the position.
Eso es eso.
Yeah. Okay. And the ventilator is the very good position.
Congratulations. The right place.
Thank you. You see?
You did successful job.
And this, the last part is, I think, very easy. Put back the check. It's okay. Okay, that's it. 4 screws is back position. The last one put back this wire position and the plastics, and that's it. And before you close everything, test the new this engine working or not. I testing, everything is working. I'm happy. Everything is working, very good. Okay, finish the work. Let's put back everything, this plastics and windscreen wipers, and going to the join to the summer. Okay, and that's it. Everything is back position. The engine, this boiler, heating boiler engine working, and everything is fine. If you have some question, ask me in the comment, and I won't tell you the right thing. This job was the fucking hard. The work hours was the 5 hours. For me, this was the 5 hours when I everything assembly and the assembly back. And yeah, if you doing this, remember 5 hours. Okay, thanks for watching. If you have some question, ask me in the comment. Bye bye.